about topics, okay? So on your screen right now, you see here's the week we're working on. I try and remember to put that up to the top of your classwork all the time, but I don't always remember. But over here to the side, as you can see, there's topics. So here's what we're looking at right now. Underneath there, you can click on this and see schedules. And right now there's just one schedule, but it could change. You can click on this and go to my virtual classroom. And if we click on the virtual classroom, it's going to transport us to a slideshow. And on here, there's all kinds of like virtual, like this will take you to one of my favorite books. I'm going to tell you all about it. This is the book I'm reading right now. Get out of there and go back to the classroom. I think this is like a math. Yeah, Fact Monster, for those of you who said you wanted to have better skills, math skills. Here's something you can practice with. Okay. Anyway, that's that slide. Okay, thank you. And then over here is our rules for Zoom meetings, which I think it's time you go over again. Remember to come class prepared. That means you have your whiteboard, your a marker, your notebook if you need to. You need to be in a quiet place. You need to dress appropriately. Make sure you use your first name and last name for your username. And some of you have your parents' name on there right now. That's fine. I think you should be able to change it once you create your own Zoom account. And you should do that through Hello ID, and there'll be information coming out Sunday. Raise your hand or click on the icons, be respectful in the chat. Right now I have it turned off because people were playing in chat. Turn off your microphone when it's not your turn to talk, because all that background noise makes it hard to hear the speaker. And then make sure you ask questions, okay? And then homework stuff. Check your Google Classroom every day. Use the calendar, ask questions, okay? And then last but not least, maybe last but not least, click, not clicking. There we go. Here's all my contact information, okay? Oops, I gotta fix that. It's hiding. There's that. Let me see if I can get out of here. Hold on a second. Gotta do some manipulating. There we go. Okay, there's that. Okay, here's my read alouds. So you just click, my point is, you just click on the topics, because some of you are going, where do I, how do I, where's my, so it's all right here. Some of you have been, I can't get into this class or that class. So then you go to Zoom class times, okay? And when I say something's in the resources, see, here's reading resources, here's writing resources. If we go down a little bit, there's some math resources. And there's where my math notebook pictures are. Oops, I gotta take today's picture. And then here's how-to videos. So some of you are like, I don't know how to get in and do this. So before you ask, and definitely before you stress, go to the how-to videos topic. Because right here it shows, keep saying, I can't get into wit and wisdom. Well, here you go. Here's how you do it. All right. So you guys, I try and put everything I can possibly think of, it's not cooperating with me right now, on our Google Classroom page. But sometimes I forget stuff. So if you absolutely can't find anything, if you have looked under all our resources over here and you still can't find them, then definitely email me, give me a call. How do I find out where Mrs. Flick's numbers are? Oh, I know. It's off the first virtual classroom page. Look, let's go right there really quick. Boop, don't need that page. Don't need that slide. Don't need that slide. Here it is. Here is my work phone number. That's my classroom. I'm in here Monday through Thursday. I'll put that on there. And here's my home phone. That's where I am on Fridays. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. If you need me, I am here to help you. I want you to have the best 4th grade year ever. But in order to do that, we got to work together. This is not cooperating with me again. There we go. And in order to do that, you guys have to utilize all the tools I provide you as much as I can, as often as I can. Hello, there we go. All right, so I hope this helps. And excuse my sarcasm. I just like to be funny. So I will see you later. Bye.